Looking for the perfect small phone in 2025? Whether you want a compact powerhouse, a stylish flip, or the smartest Android experience, I've got you covered. Stay tuned as I break down the best small phones you can buy right now and reveal which one is truly worth your money. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S25. This phone brings a few key upgrades over the S24, including 12 GB of RAM as standard, support for Wi-Fi 7, and Qualcomm's latest processor, making it the most powerful compact phone in 2025. Samsung has refined the design even further, slimmer, lighter, and just as durable. Despite sharing the same price as the S24, it offers strong value with impressive performance, especially for gaming and multitasking. It also handles sustained loads well without overheating or excessive battery drain. However, the cameras, display, and battery are largely unchanged from the previous model. The big plus is the promise of 7 years of OS updates and early access to new Galaxy AI features. For those after a compact flagship, the Galaxy S25 is hard to beat. Number 2. Google Pixel 8a. Google's Pixel A series has always offered incredible value, and the Pixel 8a takes it even further. While past A series models felt a bit limited, the 8a feels like a true value flagship, and the best small phone you can buy today. Every time I pick it up, I'm amazed it only costs $500. It feels premium, with refined edges and a comfortable design. Inside, it runs the same Tensor G3 chip as the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, bringing top-tier performance and all the smart camera features. The Pixel 8a also packs the best A-series camera hardware yet, capturing sharp, vibrant photos every time. With features like Face Unblur, even action shots stay crisp. Choosing between the Pixel 8 and 8a was tough, but the 8a easily offers the better value. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. If there's one reason to get a foldable phone, it's fitting a big display into a truly pocketable size. And that's exactly why the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is the best choice for small phone fans. It packs a large 6.7-inch screen inside, but folds neatly in half, making it easy to carry. As a 90s kid, I also love the nostalgic flip phone vibe. The Flip 6 brings a bigger battery for longer life compared to the Flip 5 and runs smoother thanks to the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which also improves the camera experience. It's slightly thinner when folded, but feels just as compact. Plus, with an official IP48 rating for dust protection, Samsung's focus on refinement makes the Flip 6 one of the most unique small phones you can buy. Number 4. Google Pixel 9. This phone might not seem like a huge leap over the Pixel 8 at first, but its refined design, bigger battery, and new AI features make it worth the upgrade. It's slimmer, has a 6.3-inch display in a compact body, and weighs a bit more at 198 grams. Powered by the Tensor G4 chip, the Pixel 9 runs Gemini Nano for advanced AI tools that work right on the device. You can now even add objects to your photos with Gen AI editing. Plus, it's promised 7 years of updates, making it seriously future-proof. The new 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera and larger 4700 mAh battery are great upgrades. Starting at $799, it's $100 more than the Pixel 8, but for most people, the Pixel 9 is the best small Android phone with cutting-edge AI. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy S24. This is still one of the best Android phones around, even with the S25 stealing the spotlight. You can often find the S24 at discounted prices now, making it the best last-gen compact phone to grab. It brings some nice upgrades over the S23, like a boosted 4000 mAh battery with 25 watts wired and 15 watts wireless charging. The camera setup sticks with the reliable 50-megapixel main sensor, backed by a 10-megapixel telephoto and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. Just be cautious if buying an international model. Some use the Exynos 2400 chip, while the US model gets the better Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Carrier support is strong with full 5G, including mmWave on US models. Plus, Samsung promises 7 years of software updates, giving the S24 serious long-term value. So, which small phone is the best? After testing them all, the Google Pixel 9 stands out with its perfect mix of size, performance, and smart features. It's compact, powerful, and simply the best choice for 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.